Good morning and welcome. This is Toby Preacher from Games.dev, and as you know, I'm working on my own crafting system, inventory system, and I want to give you a real quick update on what I'm doing. So I'm gonna hit play, and you see I have this wonderful, gorgeous player here. I can move around. I will open my inventory menu. You can see I have one heart, one sword, two shields in there. Now I can go over here and pick up the sword. Let's see. Yes, now I got two swords in my inventory. And for testing, I can drop an item, drop two hearts. Now I have no heart in my inventory. And now if I go over here, pick it up again, you can see I got two hearts in there. So the basic dropping and pickup system is working. Next up will be the drag and drop system, so that I can drag items from here down here to the equipment bar, and this is the next thing I will be working on. And so far I got only a few scripts I want to show you here. These are all the scripts I have for this, so this is pretty basic, not too complicated, and that's the goal I'm having here. Making this easy to follow along. So I will keep you updated, and until then, peace out.